I'm in Rumilly, the capital of Tefal. You are the team manager here at one of the factories where the final stage is, which is making the actual pots and pans.
Yes. In 8 hours,
In 8
so
hours.
one team here, we are creating 30,000 pans.
30,000 pans.
Yes.
That's a lot of pans.
Yes.
Shall we go for a bigger tour and see how it all happens? And maybe I'll take a few boxes home with me.
Par jour, entre 2000 et 4000 pièces.
Wow. That's what le plus important.
Les casseroles seront mal soudées.
Bonjour. The last hands before it goes to the consumer. It's pretty impressive to see how the pans are created. They're very hands-on, all the way to the end.
Yes, because here is the finishing factory. After us is the consumer, so it's very, very important. And the most important,
Made in France. It makes a difference.
yes, yes.